So today we're going to be reviewing this cat exercise wheel that was recently sent out to me. I'm going to show you exactly how to put this thing together. I'm also going to show you a couple features that you guys may have not seen already about this. And of course, we're going to test this out with my friend's cat. So with that being said, let's go ahead and go back in time and unbox this. And then I'll talk to you guys about the overall assembly process. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and start with the unboxing. The cat was already intrigued with what this was. So I'm pretty optimistic that our cat's gonna wanna try this out today. So of course we're gonna get a user guide. Looks like we get some stickers, a bunch of these metal pieces with Velcro on them. And honestly, I'm just gonna go ahead and get everything out of the box and unwrapped so I can just quickly show you because there's actually a lot of parts in this box. All right, guys, so here's everything that came in the box. So we're gonna get a bunch of bolts right there. And most importantly, we're gonna get the tools to put this together. So before we start assembling it, I did wanna show you guys the user guide. It kind of breaks down all the pieces right here, just in case you don't know what's what. So in general, this is what we're gonna be doing here, and this is gonna be step number 1. So let's go ahead and start putting this thing together. I'm gonna record a quick little time lapse for you guys and just kind of describe the building process as we go. So at first it was a little daunting to put this together just because there were so many pieces, but I put on a show and just started assembling, and it honestly was pretty straightforward. I will tell you guys how long it took in just a minute. But overall, the assembly process wasn't hard at all. I had a helper, but you guys could put this together yourself with ease. All right, guys, so we just got it all set up, and this thing is way bigger than I thought. It looks really cool, and it did take us about an hour to put this together. There are a lot of parts, but when you're done, this thing is super solid, and you could just easily remove this. But when it's on there, it's heavy enough where your cat is not gonna be able to knock this off of the rails. But this thing spins super smooth, and the carpet on the inside feels super secure thanks to all of these bars that we put in. Now, if you guys want your cat to stop using this, maybe late at night, maybe it's making noise, you guys could put this pin in right there, and that'll stop it from being able to spin. As you guys can see, the cat is already very interested, so we're gonna let her play with this in just a moment. But I wanted to give you guys a closer look at the outside and of course the inside, what the carpet's looking like and the actual metal pieces. Everything's super solid, and as you guys can see, this thing spins and it just glides. And they did give us this trim cover to put on the outside of the wood there, so that cleans up the edge and makes this just look like a giant cloud. And then you could sort of see on the back here what we're working with. You could see the wheels or the bearings. And overall, it's a pretty simple product. There's no electricity, it's just manually powered. So let's go ahead and see if we could convince the cat to test this thing out. All right, so this machine actually did come with this toy. So we're gonna try to convince the cat to start using this. So we're gonna sort of guide her here. And she's just a kitten, but she's hopefully interested enough in the toy to make this work. So I'm just gonna slowly let this roll, and we're gonna have to mess around with this for a bit to let her learn how to use this. So it did take some convincing, and after some testing for about 5 minutes with different toys, I went back to this one and she finally started to use the wheel. So I'm really glad that they included this in this kit. So overall, this thing is really cool. I think it's gonna take some time for a cat to get used to it, but she's definitely interested in it. And I'm really glad that they also gave us this toy to kind of help train them to use it. So overall, if you guys are looking for a machine that could help your cat get a little bit of exercise, this is a really cool one to look into. And that's it for my really quick review.